What's going on, everybody? It's Jacob from JMO Mechanics here, and we are dealing with a P0010 on a Chevy Equinox and this little guy right here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix. Okay, so first thing we're going to do under the hood here is pop this off. Get that out of the way. And we're going to loosen this clamp right here. Loosen up the hose clamp down here. You should just be able to pop it right off, like so. Move it out the way. Now we'll take off the cap, put it to the side. I like to put it right here. Pop this off. There it goes. Pop that off and that way. So here they are located right here. You have two of them. We are going to be replacing both of them. So first, undo the electrical connectors. One. And two. Just move them off to the side. You know the difference between the two when replacing them because one is gray and one is black. They are both held on by two 10mm bolts, so let's get those off. We'll do the gray side first. That should be good. Get that out. And see if we can get it that way. And just like that, it popped right out. So we have our new one right here. So let's install it. You'll put it down where it goes. So your 21mm socket sits very nicely just around the metal part right there, and just give it a nice tiny little tap just to make sure it seals in. Like so. And just like that, it popped right in. Now we're going to tighten up that 10mm. Just snug. And we're just going to repeat the same process for this other side. And just like that, you are all set with that P0010 code. Hope you learned something. Tune in to the next one. Peace out.